thunderstorm watch number 131 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wilkes, North Carolina. This is the North Carolina.
Wasn't expecting that to tone over since the aviation polygon only included Virginia, but I'm glad I checked at least.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, west central Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina.
Of course it's my county first.
South Carolina.
Of course.
Eastern York County in upstate South Carolina until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Rock Hill, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Trees and power lines.
First alert activation on this.
Fort Mill, Pineville, Kankakee, Newport, Leslie, Martin, Gallons, and McConnell. For your move to an interior room on the Please report damage in wheels. Or by posting on our Facebook page, or tweeting using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg and Union, and the following counties in South Carolina, Chester and York.
Okay. WMYT. If this antenna is gonna be of any use. Whoa!
Northwestern North Carolina, western Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, northeastern Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Roaring Gap or near Trap Hill, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Airy, Fairview, Dobson, Trap Hill, Mountain Park, Bottom, and Roaring Gap. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wilkes, North Carolina.
God, they were not kidding when they said Summerlike.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, northwestern Stokes County, southeastern Carroll County in southwestern Virginia, southwestern Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, until 5 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Toast, or over Mount Airy, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Wow, amazing. Just what I wanted on this day of all days. Aborted SVRs.
Northwestern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, East Central Caldwell County in western North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Taylorsville, moving 25 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Taylorsville, Love Valley, Midnight, Ellisdale, and Little River in Alexander County. For your protection, locate the rear of the building. Please report damage and wind, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-266-8101.
I'm gonna need to replace batteries in you.
Where it occurred. Repeating, a severe warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: North Carolina, Alexander, Caldwell, and Iredell. Severe thunderstorm warning for
Ion Bot is so slow. This is why you shouldn't be in my room.
in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Taylorsville, or near Love Valley. 8 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Harmony, Love Valley, Hickory, Harrisburg, Poland, Sheffield, Union Grove, and Stone Point. Prepare immediately for hail and damaging winds. Move immediately. Stay away from windows. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report damaging winds.
I guess you're just not relaying anything at all.
By calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message describe the event and your specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Davie, and Iredell.
Of course you don't go off. Never go off.
County in central North Carolina, northern Davidson County in central North Carolina, northwestern Randolph County in central North Carolina, western Guilford County in central North Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lexington, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Lexington, Thomasville, Kernersville, Archdale, Summerfield, Trinity, and Walkertown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina.
I'm sorry, who? Who?
Southeastern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, eastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8:45 p.m.
Oh yeah, just this one storm right here. Yeah, sure.
5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Lincoln, or near Maiden, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with presence of quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage. To vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newton, Lincoln, Maiden, Catawba, Lake Norman State Park, Boulder City, Denver, Charlottesville, and Bandies. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in North Carolina, Catawba, Iredell, and Lincoln.
I literally thought we were done, but no, I guess not. Why? It's just this one storm as well. Is Tropo still up? I don't know. No.
Room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Describe the event and this. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Catawba, Davie, Iredell, and Rowan.
Oh, finally, you're actually relaying stuff.
Specific location where it occurred. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Davie, Iredell, and Rowan.
Because, like, you had your end deck off the entire day after that first SVR.